Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can stop someone or anyone from downloading your Instagram reel. So there is an option on Instagram that you can allow or not disallow anyone from downloading your reels. So how you will do it? For that, just open your Instagram account on your mobile phone and go to your profile. Now in your profile, just scroll down and click on that specific reel or open that specific reel that you want to disallow anyone to download it. Now for that, just at the right bottom you can see there are three dots. Click on these three dots and now click on manage option. Now in manage option you can see there are option called turn off downloading. You have to click on this option, turn off downloading. Now again click on these three dots and manage, and now you can see turn on downloading. When you click on turn on again, it will allow anyone to download your reel. So this is a way how you can allow or disallow anyone to download your Instagram reel.